Welcome back. You're still with us on Startup Street. Now, Lendingkart is a fintech startup which facilitates lenders to evaluate borrowers' creditworthiness and provide other related services. The startup is on a mission to make credit available to MSMEs pan-India using technology and alternate data-first approaches. Now, the firm has recorded profits of 120 crore rupees in FY23 and saw disbursements grow 44% versus the previous year. In fact, growth was led by its co-lending platform business. To talk to us about profitability and the key growth drivers, we're now joined by Harshvardhan Lunia, the founder and CEO of Lendingkart Group. Harshvardhan, welcome back on Startup Street. Like I said, you've recorded profitable growth over the last 6 quarters. You've disbursed around 14,000 crores, empowering MSMEs. So talk to us about what led to this growth, and also talk to me about the growth targets that you've set for yourself.
Thank you, Arundathi. Thank you for hosting us on this show. Again, it's a wonderful feeling in a startup world where you start making money. And I think when you're making money in 3 figures or beyond 3 figures, it's more special for us. I think we were destined to make profits in 21-22 as well. We kind of had 96 crores of profit at that time. Overall, but the COVID provisions, we provided extra COVID provisions at that time, and then we accordingly had to show some loss. But that was okay. I think the idea clear, Arundathi, here was we were on a core business where we were having sustainable unit economics. We were serving the rightful numbers and rightful product to our consumers and giving it to them. I think post-COVID, digital has picked up, right? I think the touch and feel, meet and greet with a lot of people were feeling that they need to do for micro and small businesses overall has transformed overall. And now people are realizing that connecting digitally, working digitally, and serving the product or credit product digitally also works. So this is clear validation of our models that we have been building all across. And our partners have also realized. Like you suggested, yes, our growth has been built by our platform. Almost like last year, out of 4,000 crore, we went ahead and disbursed 3,200 crores on our platform overall, which was with almost 20 plus co-lending partners. So our platform has led our growth story. One of the other beautiful aspects,
No, go ahead.
Yeah, another beautiful aspect of our business is we serve money to micro and small businesses, and almost 100% of our business is priority sector lending. And because we are catering to one of the critical needs which the banks and financial institutions want to serve, our business is growing a lot more faster than a lot of other fintechs.
All right. And your loan book has grown 44%, clocking around 1,000 crore disbursal rate per quarter. So how do you plan to grow this further? Where do you see the next leg of growth coming from?
So I think, again, 3-4 things. Our core business is doing pretty good. Arundathi, overall, the segment is very large, right? Out of the 65 million MSMEs that are there in the country, we currently believe that almost 1.1 crore MSMEs fall in our bucket, right? They are young entrepreneurs, businessmen. They have banking records, they have GST and everything, and are the new age entrepreneurs who are running the business. As per our estimates, that requirement in this segment is almost $150 to $200 billion. So today also, when we disburse 4,000 crore, we are covering only minuscule portion of that required. So we'll continue to grow our business. In the current year, 23-24, we almost want to grow our business beyond 6,000 crore core business. We've also just acquired one personal loan company. Overall, upwards, Arundathi, what we want to do is a lot of our MSME customers have employees, right? Normally in the range of 3 to 5. We've served more than 200,000 loans. So almost we have access to close to 800,000 to 1 million workers or employees of these MSMEs. So we want to serve them as well through upwards overall personal loan. That is another area we are looking at. We have already also started monetizing our platform business, Arundathi.
Okay.
What we have done is we have basically created API or productized versions of our capabilities, which is origination, underwriting, and collections.
Right.
We are now allowing others to use that as well.
All right. If you could quickly can you tell me what are the services and products that are most in demand, and any new offerings in the pipeline? I believe you're looking at a credit card for MSMEs as well.
Yeah. So I think one origination platform of ours is very much in demand. Arundathi, a lot of people have realized that rather than building it, taking all the effort, right, of building it across, we now almost have on our platform 5,000 plus DSAs, 100 plus partners, right, pan India, located in nook and corners of the country. So a lot of people, a lot of large institutions are also realizing the benefit of that, and we've gone ahead and offered that to people. So like you said, yes, MSME credit card is one segment which we are very, very hopeful should pick it up. We've not given the card money access to MSMEs. We believe that they are also credit worthy and they should have access to credit card for their expenses and everything. And that's what we are planning to offer as well.
All right. Also, in fact, the Reserve Bank of India has come out with a new FLDG framework. Fintechs have raised concerns over the default cover for up to 5% of the loan portfolio under these guidelines. So what's your view? Talk to us about what you make of this framework and its impact for the industry.
I think actually this is fantastic, Arundathi. Right now, till now, what was happening, a lot of people were assuming a lot of things, right? And I think a lot of things that RBI had mentioned in earlier notes in terms of synthetic securitization or everything was getting cited, and a lot of people were either doing it or not doing it. Overall, I think now this is a fantastic move by them by coming out with clear guidelines and saying that, one, clearly saying that collaboration is the way forward between fintechs and the larger institutions. Secondly, they have clearly said that those who are actually doing digital lending, those who are spending money, effort in building all of this, they can partner. Digital lenders can partner with the existing lenders who have access to who have access to depositors' capital and can build the business. I think also saying that clearly, laying it out at 5%, also clearly differentiates between lenders who are not good performing, maybe they have defaults more than 5%, and the lenders who are having defaults less than 5%, who are good as per them, right? So I think this is a pretty good guideline and framework, Arundathi, that clearly differentiates between good and bad players, and also the digital players and guidelines as well, Arundathi.
All right, so you welcome this move. All right, Harshvardhan, we're completely out of time, but many thanks for joining us on the show and congratulations on turning profit.
Thanks a lot, Arundathi. Thank you. Thanks for having us here.
All right.